Okay, so we're looking at adding tick marks and labels to the sliders, and the tick marks look okay, but the labels are wrong. We have minus 100 and 100 instead of minus 10 and 10. So what we can do is this. There's a trick where you can add really whatever labels you want. Notice they have labels here that say, stop, slow, stop, fast. So you can actually stick in any labels you want. The way you do that is you create a hash table with labels in it, and then you set the label table. Oh, set paint labels to true. Do we need to do that too? It says each key pair. What does set paint tables? Set paint labels do? Let's see. Set paint labels. Painting of labels is controlled by set label table and set paint labels. That determines whether labels are painted on the slider. This method will also set up a label table for you. If there is not already a label table and the major tick spacing is greater than 0, a standard label will be generated. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, so yeah, it looks like we want to have both of those. The label table and the paint labels. Do we have that already? Let's see, did we already? Oh yeah, set paint labels true is right there. Okay, so what we need then is to put our hash table in over here. Oops, I didn't copy it yet. Okay, copy, paste, format. All right, so we need hash table defined. And our slider is not called frames per second, it's called pos slider. And what we're setting our labels to. So let's just do, let's see, at 0, we want that to be labeled 0. And at at minus 100, we want that to be labeled 10, or minus 10, I mean. And at 100, we want that to be labeled 10, right? I think that'll work. Yeah, hash table is they keep labeling hash table as an obsolete collection, but we kind of need it for this case. So let's see what that looks like. Oh, looks pretty good. Minus 10 to 10. Okay, so now this goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so now we have labels. And the 0.5, let's see. Oh yeah, Z is 1.1, that looks right, and 0.5 looks about right. Yeah, so that looks about right. Okay, so so that's how you can do labels. And if you wanted to stick in some more labels in here, you could, you know, add some in at, like, if you wanted some at 5 and 10, that'd be minus 50, minus 5, and 55 like that. Oops. But yeah, I think that works for me, and you get the idea of how to get the tick marks and labels on there.